Were you looking for the best slow cookers? In this video, we will look at some of the best slow cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Best Multicooker Overall, Cuisinart MSC600. Slow cooker or multicooker, multicooker. Dimensions: 12 by 19 by 9.5 inches. Capacity: 6 quarts. Weight: 16 pounds. Pot material: non-stick aluminum. Dishwasher safe: yes. The best multicooker we've tested is this handsome, multifunctional model, which excels at rice, soups, and stews. In addition to slow cooking, it can brown/saute, roast, and steam. You can even sear food in the insert before simmering it. An ultra-low simmer slow cook mode can either cook food very slowly or keep it piping hot for serving. The stainless steel base features a series of buttons for settings. And there's a small LCD panel displaying the cooking program and time. This was one of the few programmable models that was easy to set without referring to the manual. After cooking, it automatically switches over to the warm setting for 8 hours. Number 2. Best Slow Cooker Overall, West Bend Versatility Slow Cooker 5QT. Slow cooker or multi-cooker, slow cooker. Dimensions: 9.25 inch dx 12.5 wx 9.5 h. Capacity: 5 quarts. Weight: 6.6 pounds. Pot material: non-stick interior. Dishwasher safe: yes. The West Bend 5-quart slow cooker is a no-frills appliance that's great for anyone looking for a simple slow cooker at a reasonable price. With its generous 5-quart capacity, it's perfectly suited for family dinners or meal prepping for the week. The cooker features adjustable temperature control, allowing different heat settings. Its removable, dishwasher-safe pot makes cleanup a breeze, and the sleek stainless steel design looks nice on the countertop. The cooking vessel is oven-safe, allowing for braising and other cooking methods. And the base doubles as a griddle, too. Number 3. Best Upgrade, Green Pan Ceramic Non-Stick 6QT Slow Cooker. Slow cooker or multi-cooker, multi-cooker. Dimensions: 19 by 13.5 by 11 inches. Capacity: 6 quarts. Weight: 13 pounds. Pot material: aluminum with ceramic non-stick coating. Dishwasher safe: yes. Yes, it's expensive, but the Green Pan's excellent cooking performance, versatility, and good looks are worth the price. Our testing model had a glossy black exterior with beautiful stainless steel handles, but it comes in several colors. It also comes in a premier stainless steel model. At the bottom are small buttons for programming the various heat settings, along with an LCD. The slow cook mode includes low, high, and warm settings, as well as a simmer for keeping food hot. It also includes a reheat setting, which is fairly unique for a slow cooker. The brown/saute and steam functions let you brown stew meat or a roast right in the unit before slow cooking, so you don't have to dirty a skillet. After cooking, the Green Pan automatically switches to a keep warm mode for 8 hours. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Everyday PossibleCooker Pro MC1101. Slow cooker or multi-cooker, multi-cooker. Dimensions: 12.8 by 8.19 by 14.06 inches. Capacity: 6.5 quarts. Weight: 10 pounds. Pot material: non-stick. Dishwasher safe: yes. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker can do more than make a batch of slow-cooked chili, although it excels at that too. It boasts a variety of pre-programmed cooking functions to help you get dinner on the table fast. In addition to slow cooking and searing/sautéing, which are common in most modern slow cookers, this appliance also features functions for cooking grains such as pasta, oats, and rice. And during testing, we found that these work excellently, eliminating the need for a separate rice cooker. Number 5. Crock-Pot SCCPVFC800-DS. Slow cooker or multi-cooker, slow cooker. Dimensions: 9.5 by 14.4 by 14.4 inches. Capacity: 8 quarts. Weight: 15 pounds. Pot material: stainless steel and stoneware. Dishwasher safe: yes. The Crock-Pot 8-quart programmable slow cooker is a step up from a completely manual model. Its black stainless steel finish gives it a contemporary look. It can be set to cook for a specific amount of time, then automatically switch to a warming mode. However, this appliance doesn't have any extra features. Number 6. Hamilton Beach 33866. Slow cooker or multi-cooker. Slow cooker. Dimensions: 12 by 17 by 11.87 inches. Capacity: 6 quarts. Weight: 13 pounds. Pot material: ceramic. Dishwasher safe: yes. When it comes to meal prepping, digital controls and a temperature probe help ensure consistent results across multiple dishes. It can also hold food for a set time at a precise temperature. That means you can use it for sous vide cooking as well as slow cooking. Using the probe, a pot roast was tender but not overcooked, while the potatoes were a bit underdone. However, when slow cooking the same recipe on low, the meat fell apart and shredded as soon as it was lifted out of the pot. Likewise, in the butter chicken test, the breasts and thighs were very overcooked. Number 7. Crock-Pot Lunch Crock Food Warmer. Slow cooker or multi-cooker. Food warmer. Dimensions: 13.6 inch x 7 by 13.5 inches. Capacity: 20 ounces. Weight: 1.7 pounds. Pot material: stainless steel. Dishwasher safe: yes. If you like a hot lunch, and we love a hot lunch, then Crock-Pot's Lunch Crock is your new best friend. Perfectly sized for 2 cups and a little room for your favorite lunch. The Lunch Crock features a seal-tight inner lid and a locking lid with a handle, making it easy to bring your lunch along for the ride. Fill your Lunch Crock with a soup, stew, or pasta of your choice. Then plug it in and shut the lid. The personal size warmer quietly and steadily heats your lunch to the perfect, bubbly temperature while sending the unmistakable scent of something good cooking through your office.